Today in the cryptocurrency news, the crypto exchange Upbit has announced that $50 million worth of Ethereum has been stolen from their hot wallet. Bitcoin Tuesdays, a crypto version of Giving Tuesdays for the crypto nonprofits, and a few more stories. Let's dive right in. Hello everyone, welcome to O Trading. I'm your host, Mark, and in this video we'll look at a few major cryptocurrency news of the day, then move on with our price update and finish with my favorite crypto memes. So starting on Cointelegraph, we learn that the cryptocurrency exchange Upbit has announced that $50 million worth of Ethereum has been stolen from their hot wallet. The statement of the company is saying that, I quote, at 1:06 p.m. on November 27, 2019, 342,000 Ethereum, approximately 58 billion won, were transferred from the Upbit Ethereum hot wallet to an unknown wallet. Unknown wallet addresses, and then they copied the receiving address. The exchange also announced that they will freeze any deposit or withdrawal request for the next 2 weeks minimum to investigate on this case. 342,000 Ethereum currently represent 50 million American dollars. Upbit Exchange also pledged to protect user assets, meaning that they will use the fund of the company to pay for this loss. When the news broke out, Bitcoin price crashed below 7,000, but it has now stabilized and went back up to around 7,200. Another news from Cointelegraph is highlighting the fact that this transfers of 342,000 Ethereum happened at the same time that Upbit was doing a lot of different transfer between their cold and hot wallet, pointing out that this could have been an inside job. My point of view is hack or theft of cryptocurrencies on exchange are always happening and will always do. Security is always just as good as your weakest point in the chain. When a news broke out that a cryptocurrency exchange get hacked and lose millions of dollars of assets, I don't understand traders' reactions of selling for lower price in the hope of cashing out their investment. The logical reaction should be to pulling out your liquidity of the cryptocurrency exchange. So transferring all your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies on hardware wallets or your phone wallets, a device where you control the private key of these cryptocurrencies. That's the security issue with cryptocurrency exchange, is that you delegate the control of your private key to that exchange for the funds you have. What they get hacked is someone access the private key of the hot wallet of the exchange or the cold wallet and then make transactions. That's the main security issue of a cryptocurrency exchange. So we should see the liquidity of these exchanges going super low when hacked like that or in the news instead of lower price. That actually should bring a higher price because there's less liquidity on the market. Anyway, just my thoughts. Moving on to CoinDesk, we learned that a new crypto event has been created, the Bitcoin Tuesdays. Following the Black Friday, the Cyber Mondays is the Bitcoin Tuesdays, a day to raise profits for all the crypto-friendly non-profit organizations around the world. The Giving Block is the crypto non-profits foundation spearheading these new events. The Giving Tuesday has been launched in 2012, so on the same day, for the Bitcoin fan, we do the Bitcoin Tuesdays, raising profits in Bitcoins for the non-profits that accept it. The Giving Block is rounding up support for No Kids Hungry, the Tor Project, Pencil of Promise, and a few more non-profits. So don't forget on December the 3rd, it's Bitcoin Tuesdays. Or for other cryptocurrencies, there's Crypto Giving Tuesdays. Moving back to Cointelegraph, we learn that a new research published in the technology magazine The New Scientist is stating that Bitcoin mining is having a smaller carbon footprint than previously estimated. Basically, the finding of Suzanne Coiler and Massimo Pizzol in their study was the fact that the energy source for Bitcoin mining is not uniform across an entire country. Previous study was considering that the main source of power for all Bitcoin mining in China, for example, was coal. This assumption is very false since it's not everywhere in China that's running off coal. There's many hydroelectric dams, and the same thing happened in Canada. For example, here in Quebec, the province where I am, the entire electricity grid is running only on renewable. So for example, origin of China that are coal reliant will be Inner Mongolia, near Mongolia. And this 12.3% of Bitcoin mining that is dependent on coal represent 25% of all the emissions of Bitcoin mining around the world. So their study clearly showed that Bitcoin mining is not as harmful for the environment as previous study has shown. But it also showed that there is still place for improvement. Currently, 74% of the Bitcoin mining run on renewable energy source. So there is still 26% to go and to change. Peter Schiff, a well-known gold bug, was saying about Anthony Pampliano that he will go down with the ship because of his well-known Bitcoin maximalist mentality. Pampliano replied to his tweets saying Bitcoin is up more this year than gold is in the last decade, and showing a graph of it. So yeah, of course, gold is precious, but there's nothing as precious as Bitcoin for its scarcity, definitely. So even if Bitcoin lose a lot of its steam versus the price we had in June and July, it still in its last 365 days outperforms gold in the last 10 years. Schiff owns a gold and silver investment firm, so he definitely have no reason to publicly support Bitcoin. Moving back to CoinDesk, we learned that Ghana is now on the list of the country that would like to have their own national digital currency. The governor of this nation, Ernest Addison, said Tuesday that Ghana could issue their own digital national currencies and is in talk to develop a pilot project. The Bank of Ghana governor said also that Ghana is undergoing rapid digitalization, especially in the mobile banking sector driven by mobile phone. Mobile money transfers increased by 70% from 2017 to 2018. So Ghana just joined the race to see which country will be the first to issue an official national digital currencies. Moving back to Cointelegraph, we learned that the New York-based startup Fireblock is now moving $2.5 billion worth of cryptocurrency every month. Fireblock revealed that the company has seen a 400% increase in customer growth and that the crypto transfer volume are growing 150% a month. Fireblock is working in a digital asset cybersecurity and allow for safe transfer of cryptocurrency between their different merchants. These $2.5 billion worth of trading volumes are what we normally refer to OTC, over-the-counter trades. So that means that they don't show on platforms like CoinMarketCap. On CoinDesk, we learned that an Estonia-based cryptocurrency exchange, BitBay, will stop supporting Monero. They will stop trading pairs the February 19th of next year. They will block new deposit of Monero starting this Friday, and will temporarily block withdrawal from next Friday, December the 5th, since Monero will undergo a hard fork. All users of this cryptocurrency exchange will need to withdraw their Monero before the 20th of May 2020. Now let's move to our cryptocurrency price update of the day. We have Bitcoin at $7,281, a move of 1.85% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is at $148, a move of 1.71%. Ripple is at 22 cents, a move of 1.95%. Bitcoin Cash is at 213%, an increase of 1.5%. Litecoin is at $47, a move of 0.98% up. EOS is at $2.65, an increase of 1.88%. Binance Coin is at $16.60, an increase of 1.37%. Stellar Lumens is at 5 cents, an increase of 1.22%. Tron is at 1 cent, an increase of 4.54%. Cardano is at 3 cents, an increase of 6.56%. Monero is at $52, an increase of 2.29%. Chainlink is at $2.25, a drop of 0.12%. Our biggest winner of the day are number 1, D-Market, with an increase of 54%. Number 2, Siren Labs with an increase of 26%. Number 3, Referum with an increase of 26%. And our biggest loser of the day are number 1, PVIX with a drop of 11%. Number 2, Hydro with a drop of 11%. And 3, Spank Chain with a drop of 6%. Moving on to my favorite memes, I saw this one on Instagram, but it's actually a snapshot of Morgan Housel tweet saying, Thanksgiving 2017, tell everyone about Bitcoin. 2018, tell everyone about tax loss harvesting. 2019, back to politics. Thank you very much to have watched this video till the end. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Subscribe also to this channel. I'm posting new video on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them down below. Thank you very much and have a great day.